Hey beautiful fam, so today we are going to be making tiger nut milk, and this is with a twist which I'm going to be showing you guys. This is one of the drink you can have when you are on weight loss, because you don't want to be drinking all those drink that will set you back. Yeah, it's all about healthy lifestyle today, so you have to choose drink that can make you to stay on track. Example is tiger nut milk and sobo. I have the recipe for sobo on my channel also. I will put it in the end screen for you guys to follow. So let's go as I show you how I'm going to make mine with a twist. It will be needed for this drink: tiger nut, cashew nut. You guys, you need to try this. It's so good. Frozen coconut, I needed to just froze that. And this is ginger and dates. Finally, we're going to use a banana. I'm going to use this generously because I really want the taste. You guys, you can do it according to your preference. You can use one if you want to. So these are basically what will be needed for this recipe, and we are going to get all that into the blender right now. You need a blender that can process it properly, yeah, that can blend it so smooth. And this blender, wait for the review you guys, is a blender made in the United States and it's so powerful. Yeah, it's a heavy duty blender. I really love it. Wait for the review. So I'm just incorporating everything into the blender to blend, and I will add water according to your preference. If you want it so thick, don't add too much water. So that's everything in the blender. I'll just cover it up and also blend it. You guys, if you are joining this channel for the first time, this is Grace Adelego, a mom of three based in the United States. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts in the comment section, any highlights about this video, and also share with other people. Let me know where you're watching from. I would love to know where you're watching from. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you in my next one. So it is done. I have my ice here. Yeah, this is a jug that has this ice center. So I'm going to put that here. I have my, how about you guys? I'm going to put it here because we don't want it to get sour. So it's already done. So I have the sieve I bought from. Hey guys, I'm going to wash that now. So I'm pouring a little bit of water. I'll be doing it bit by bit, although this thing is really tiny. So that's it, you guys.
You are on to Grace Adelego.
So I'll just do it bit by bit. So I'll just go ahead and do this for everything. Sieve it like that, and you guys can see. Just sieve it like that. That is what we are having. You guys can see. So work is still in progress. It's really good, guys. It's really good, and I hope you enjoy watching this. And let me know when you make this drink. Come back to the comment section or tag me in the video when you make it. I'm sure you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye.